है, ठीक है तो लॉकआउट के लिए है ना। हाँ, इसी को हम सेव कर लेते हैं, उसको हटा देंगे पुराना वाला को ना। ठीक है ठीक है। Serial number 49 is continuing.
While two punishment orders were issued against the petitioner, first order dated 18 July 2017, by way of which the pay scale of the petitioner was reduced by one stage, and the increment was also stopped for 3 years. Thereafter, on 25th of July 2017, another order was issued, which is Annexure 1 of the
Where is
OA.
your original application? OA.
OA.
Where is that?
Must be the paper book
You don't have the page number and all.
number. During the corona time, we were not allowed to obtain the file number. That's why I could not mark the running page. My apologies.
So now to
Annexure
the matter.
page 52. Should be page 52,
52 running page.
running page. By this order,
Where is this order dated 25/7/2017?
according to my file, it should be page 52, Annexure A1 of the OA. Annexure A1.
This is after holding inquiry?
No inquiry was held against this order.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Respondent?
My lord, notice has been issued to him as per the charge. Notice has been issued to him as per charge. He has submitted.
Where is the charge?
Annexure 2. Annexure 8.
Your order is the tribunal's order, my lord.
No, charge memo.
Charge. Charge. He has submitted his reply, my lord, by Annexure 6, page 25, to the Director, Postal Services.
Where is the charge memo, sir?
Annexure A2, my lord, of the OA. Shri Ajay Kumar PA Arwal MD.
It is 31/10/2016.
Where is the list of documents, list of citation, list of witnesses?
By this charge memo, my lord, he has been asked to submit his reply. By this charge memo,
This is been issued under which rule?
Superintendent imputation of misconduct may be. It is superintendent of post
Under
office.
which rule it has been issued? Rule 16.
Rule 16 and 3.
What is the rule 16? Procedure for imposition of a minor penalty.
Minor penalty. And a minor penalty can be issued after issuing so cause.
But my lord, the order, the punishment which has been.
Thereafter, Annex 3 series is the superintendent of post office order in the disciplinary proceeding. Lord.
You have a rule book?
Yes, I have this.
Read rule 16B.
Problem.
16 1B.
Holding an inquiry in the manner laid down in the sub rule 3 to 23 of rule 14 in every case in which the disciplinary authority is of the opinion that such an inquiry is necessary.
Where is the recording of the disciplinary authority that inquiry is not warranted?
Taking a let clause C applies here. No?
Hi sir, that is the reason we are saying in order to bypass rule 1B, where is the disciplinary authority has recorded, it is not a case for inquiry. It is not a case for inquiry. Representation read with show cause notice suffice. Where is your reply?
Reply is annexure A3.
3.
3.
You have denied?
Yes, my lord.
It is his written statement, my lord.
Read paragraph 4 of his statement. Read paragraph 4 on page 16 or 20.
That it is well admitted fact that the electric connection of the Tehta post office was already disconnected by joining SPM Tehta. no connection for taking electricity line of the present officer was taken by the competent authority. Senior Superintendent of Post Office Division Gaya and ASP Jahanabad, with the result of the presiding officer taking light to the nearest petrol pump at amount of rupees 442 per day to a value of 7 liters of petrol from the function light, fan and required public complaint from the customer outside office. General and line unserviceable despite my reminders to the ASP Jahanabad with the remain fruitless, but work of the office was performed smoothly. The answer to this question
Where it has been answered in Annexure 1?
obliging in Annexure 4, Mala.
No, Annexure 1 is the municipality order.
Obliging. Annexure 1 is not the punishment order, it is a recovery order.
Or where is the punishment order?
The punishment order is Annexure 4. Madam.
Annexure 4.
And
Where is the reference to this para 4? Contents of the para 4. That he has sent a reminder on 22/11/2013 and 5/12/2013. Where is this? And the electric line was disconnected.
yes,
Who has taken a decision to get it connected?
I may be permitted after receiving the complaint, the report of ASP Jahanabad, undersigned also a surprise visit at Tehta. I am reading the last paragraph,
Yes, yes.
first page, and found that the allegations are real. I have gone through the statement and imputation of misconduct, misbehavior, his representation dated 11/11/2016 and other connected papers very dispassionately and found that the plea of the said Ajay Kumar are not convincing and at all, instead of fabricating, misleading, concocted and also other afterthought, it is nothing but to divert the attention of the administration from the financial irregularity committed by him. If he was taken electricity from generator set from outside, he should have simply informed the department. He never informed and never took permission from the office, whatever arrangement he has done himself for electricity connection at Tehta Post Office. Earlier, he has stated the agreement was done with the owner of petrol pump, which he never mentioned whenever he was asked to do so. Previously, electricity connection of the house owner of the Tehta was taken at monthly rate of 3,000, but without any reason, he took connection from the petrol pump.
There is no reference, sir, to his reminder letter.
The owner of the petrol pump also accepted that 3,000 used to be paid for the purpose, but refused to give any agreement to that effect. Mr. Ajay Kumar misappropriated the heavy amount of government money. Thus, Sri Ajay Kumar has committed serious financial offence, as accused himself admitted in that the departmental generator was not working condition at Tehta Post Substation office, so that there no chance of charges of fuel purchasing and maintaining a logbook for the fuel consumption.
These are all facts of the case.
Yes, madam.
In para 4, he has specifically stated that despite my 2 reminders to the ASP Jahanabad on 22/11/2013 and 5/12/2013, which remained fruitless, but the work of PO was performed by me smoothly without any complaint against me. Where is this discussion that the department have not received his reminder or letter First of all, you are not disputing whether you are in receipt of those letters or not. And further, when you are not disputing, where is the discussion on 22/11/2013 and 5/12/2013? A reminder for.
My lord, his period of posting at that very place is limited.
No, why this has not been considered? He has made specifically made he has made out a point that on 22/11/2013 and 5/12/2013 he has submitted reminder. Where is the discussion? First of all, you have not said that department is not in receipt of those letters. Further, there is no analysis.
That
What is the post held by him?
SPM, sub postmaster.
Still in service?
Yes, my lord.
We'll set aside and remand the matter. When he is disputed in terms of Rule 1B, Rule 16(1)B, you are required to hold inquiry. To that effect, you have not recorded the finding, whether inquiry is warranted or not.
but he has filed against this order appeal also. His appeal was rejected. The tribunal has rejected, the punishment has been upheld by the tribunal's order, and for the recovery the tribunal has held that it is the normal only the charges for the fuel charge has been recovered. So far taking the energy from the petrol pump.
To that effect, they have already given the tribunal's order. Accepted his reply that the electric connection much before his joining.
Yeah.
What is the date of rejection of appeal?
The date of the rejection of appeal.
Appellate authority rejected dismissed the appeal on 22nd of December 2017.
What is the date of OA rejection?
13/12/2017.
13/12?
2017.
Sir, OA, sir, original application before this CAT.
CAT appeal was dismissed on 13th December 2017.
How can it be 13 when you are saying appeal is rejected on 22/12/2017? Appeal was rejected on 22/12/2017.
Yes, my lord.
Then how on 13/12/2017 OA could be rejected?
My lord, appeal before the appellate authority was filed before filing of the CAT appeal. But since the punishment related to the financial punishment, so under that condition, the petitioner was already a third class, fourth class employee. So
You are not challenging the appellate authority's order.
yes, it has been challenged, my lord.
In which application you have challenged?
By filing an MA application, he has filed for the stay, and stay has been granted by the tribunal till filing of the written statement. And after filing of
No, it was stayed on what date?
it was stayed on what date? Last page. It was stayed on 19th September 2017.
Whereas the appeal was rejected on 22/12/2017. Is it correct? 22/12/2017 appeal rejected. Where is the appellate authority order?
P3 series, my lord. Correct. P3 series.
Huh?
P3 series. P3 series of writ.
Where to find out this P3?
34 page number.
Huh?
33 page number.
Page 33. No, this is addressing to appellate authority. Your application, your appeal.
Yes, my lord.
I'm asking, we are asking you, appellate authority rejected on what date?
It has been rejected. Hey, I have the document over here, my lord. It's
What is the date, sir?
22nd of December 2017.
If that is the case, on 19/9/2017, how the tribunal stays?
Since there was
Sir, OA is disposed on 13/12/2017. Where is the OA?
annexure 1 of the writ. 2017.
17/12/2017. How can it be? Where is the order on MA? MA is also there in the very same order. Where is the appellate authority order?
It's in the writ.
Huh?
Page 33.
30?
33.
33 is your application, sir. Appeal.
34, my lord, sir.
There is no page number 34.
I have
Please pass on the appellate authority order. This is after disposal of.
yes, my lord.
Have you challenged this?
Since the order itself came after the order of the learned tribunal,
Why you did not challenge? And have you apprised the CAT stating that my appeal is pending?
it was apprised. That is contained in the.
Then what is the outcome of the tribunal order?
It was
Of pendency of appeal.
it was ignored, my lord, at that time. Since the punishment.
How can they ignore?
Since the punishment was related to financial punishment, so the condition of the petitioner would have deprived even more if the pendency in the appellate authority would have continued for a long time.
For the merit of May is concerned.
No, in MA he has not challenged.
Anything.
No, he has not challenged the appellate authority order itself. We will remand the matter. Please take down. In the instant petitioner has aside the order of the tribunal dated 17/12/2017, passed in OA 513 up to 17. By the Central Administrative Tribunal Patna bench, Patna for short CAT. The appellant was subjected to multiple proceedings under Rule 16 of CCS within bracket CCA rules 1965 for short CCA rules on the allegation that he has manipulated office record utilizing diesel per generator instead of utilizing electricity connection to the office, the post office, sub post Tehta.
Eta.
What is meant by SO?
SO.
S.O.
Sub office.
Sub office in account with Jehanabad head office. Whereby he has caused financial loss to the postal department. Petitioner had submitted his explanation denying the alleged allegation on 11/11/2016. Disciplinary authority proceeded to impose penalty in reducing one stage from rupees 32,300 to 31,400 in the pay of rupees 5,200 to 20,200 with the grade pay of rupees 2,400 for a period of 3 years with effect from 1/7/2017. It is further ordered that petitioner will not earn increment of pay during the period of reduction, and that on expiry of this period, the reduction will not have the effect of postponing his future increment of pay. And thereafter, one more order has been passed ordering recovery on 25/7/2017 to stop. The petitioner, feeling aggrieved by the order of recovery, preferred appeal.
No, file MA in the High Tribunal for a stay and also prefer the appeal.
Huh?
File miscellaneous appeal for a stay of the recovery order.
Sir, that will come later.
Available.
Appeal is against what? Which order?
Cat appeal was against the order of recovery, my lord.
Huh?
Order of recovery.
He preferred appeal against the recovery order. During pendency of the next paragraph, during pendency of the memorandum of appeal, petitioner preferred filed original application before the original application number so and so before the Central Administrative Tribunal, and further MA number so and so filed. The tribunal rejected the petitioner's original application as well as a miscellaneous application. On
2017.
on 17/12/2017. Thereafter, the appellate authority rejected the petitioner's appeal on 22/12/2017. Who is feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order of the tribunal, the appellant has petitioner has presented this petition. Next, land counsel for the petitioner vehemently contended that Rule 16 of CCA rules relates to imposition of minor penalty. To stop against a show cause notice, against a charge memo / a show cause notice, he had submitted his reply on 11/11/2016 while denying the alleged allegations and also requested to initiate, also stated that he is prepared to face inquiry proceedings under Rule 14. To stop ignoring the disputed issues, the disciplinary authority proceeded to impose the penalty on 18/7/2017. The penalty is as under. You have already taken out. You have to copy. Please, sir. It is further submitted that once the penalty order is imposed, the department cannot order one more penalty order insofar as recovery It is further submitted that there is no determination of a loss caused to the department in a departmental inquiry in a disputed matter. It is also submitted that the petitioner in his reply to the charge memo referred to two letters dated 22/11/2013 and 5/12/2013. The same has not been taken into consideration. Please stop. When the disputed issues were cropped up, in that event, disciplinary authority is required to initiate inquiry in terms of Rule 16(1)(b). 16(1)(b) with reference to sub-rule 3 to sub-rule within bracket 3 to rule 23, sorry, sub-rule 3 to within bracket 23 of Rule 14. Twist of disciplinary authority has not formed opinion as to whether holding of an inquiry in the aforesaid provision is warranted or not in the light of the fact that the petitioner has disputed the alleged charge. The two issues have not been apprised by the disciplinary authority, and tribunal, CAT. Per contra, land counsel for the respondent resisted the aforesaid contention and submitted that Rule 16 of a CCA rules provides for imposition of minor penalty, and procedure is limited to the extent that issuance of show cause notice and obtaining a reply and thereafter to proceed to pass order by the disciplinary authority. Further, it is submitted that there is no infirmity in the order of the disciplinary authority and CAT. It is also submitted that petitioner has suffered a order before the appellate authority after disposal of OA dated OA number so and so by the CAT on so and so date. Heard the land counsels for their respective parties. Undisputed facts are that the petitioner, while working in sub post office so and so, he is alleged to have misutilized the departmental money towards purchasing diesel and running the generator instead of utilizing the electricity connection to the office. In this regard, on this allegation, he was subjected to inquiry under Rule 16 of CCA rules. Rule 16 of the CCA rules reads as under. It is to be noted that the petitioner has disputed the alleged charge, and he has also cited two letters in his reply to the charge / show cause notice. Perusal of the disciplinary authority's order, it is crystal clear that disciplinary authority has not taken note of alleged disputed issues raised by the petitioner in his reply to the charge memo / show cause notice. Further, in the event of a disputed issue against a show cause notice / charge, in that event, disciplinary authority is required to invoke Rule 16(1) within bracket B while holding inquiry under sub rule 3(2) within bracket 23 of Rule 14. Perusal of the records, it is evident that the petitioner has disputed the alleged charge, and he has also quoted two letters. In such an event, disciplinary authority was bound and duty to invoke Rule 16(1)(b). In holding inquiry in respect of disputed issues. The same has not been appreciated by the disciplinary authority nor CAT. Next paragraph. In the case of OK Bharadwaj versus Union of India, reported in 2001 9 SEC or 91 SEC, so and so, it is held that in respect of disciplinary proceedings, if the alleged charges are disputed, In such an event, inquiry is warranted. Next paragraph. In the light of these facts and circumstances, the petitioner has made out a prima facie case insofar as interference with the recovery order dated 25/7/2017 accordingly, order dated 25/7/2017 insofar as recovery of alleged loss to the tune of rupees so and so is hereby set aside. The appellate authority order would not come in the way. First, if the department have already recovered amount, the same shall be refunded to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of this order. Next paragraph. At this juncture, it is to be noted that disciplinary authority, while initiating inquiry under Rule 16 with an intention to impose minor penalty, proceeded to pass two penalty orders. One is so and so, reducing, you copy from the top. Second one is recovery. So the petitioner has not questioned the validity of the penalty order, and he has questioned only recovery. In the light of these facts and circumstances, since petitioner has not questioned the validity of the penalty order and he has questioned only recovery order, therefore we are interfering only with the recovery order dated 25/7/2017. So the same may be taken note of by the disciplinary authority while implementing the present order.
The order of, in the order of the punishment, it was already recorded that the recovery has already been initiated, and therefore
You can't initiate two proceedings.
the other person in the similar type of thing.
Sir, in one order you have to impose penalty. You can't pass separate order. If you had challenged the penalty order, even that we would have passed it. He has not challenged, only he has challenged recovery.
Now the case fixed for 2:15 p.m. serial number 42 Narayan Jha versus the state versus the Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited for the appellant Sri Makarwal Park.
Yes, sir. Do you have this? What is that? DCR number 1 and 2.
No, my lord.
Then we will allow.
My lord, that is.
Where is the inquiring officer's report?
My lord.
Inquiring officer's report.
My lord, that is my lord. Sir. And extra 25A at page 100.
25
A.
of writ petition.
My lord.
writ of petition. It is in Hindi.
My lord.
You take us to the point. I think page 102.
They start from 101, my lord.
All right, take 102.
My lord.
Loss is 5,12,915
My lord.
in respect of 4 receipt.
My lord.
Where is this receipt?
That the receipt, my lord, petitioner took, my lord, the photocopy from, my lord, Katihar subdivision, my lord.
Then the inquiring authority relied on photocopy.
My lord, he has relied on the auditor's report, my lord.
Then he can't, unless these documents are placed on record, he can't rely on this. Audit authority has not been examined.
My lord, examined, my lord. Both auditors were examined, my lord. Senior auditor was cross-examined also, but petitioner has not put a single question with regard to this, my lord.
He need not question.
My lord.
Where is this 4 documents?
That documents, my lord, money receipt he has taken away along with him, my lord, that he never deposited.
What action you have taken? On what date he has taken away?
But, my lord,
Is it one of the charge that he has taken away the records?
my lord, the receipts, my lord, he obtained receipts and it was not deposited, the money even not deposited.
All right, sir. Is it one of the charge that he has taken away the records?
No, not with regard to this, my lord.
Then how can you say, simply you can't blame unless it is on record?
Charges were framed against the petitioner, my lord.
चार्ज नंबर 1 क्या है?
Charge number 1 है, as per audit report, petitioner collected rupees 5,12,915. My lord.
Page 101.
My lord.
Where is that FIR which you have
Translated it.
subsequent to the missing of those DCR?
My lord. बोर्ड के सर्कुलर 26/12 दिनांक 2173 के अनुच्छेद 3 के तहत मुद्रा रसीदों को सर्वथा नगद रोकड़ माना गया है. All money receipts taken as कैश. बोर्ड के वित्तीय लेखा संहिता भाग के अनुच्छेद 6.92 के अनुसार समाहरण कार्य में स्थायी रसीदों को निर्गत किया जाना है. प्रत्येक रसीद को 3 प्रतियों में कार्बन के माध्यम से निर्गत तथा 3 प्रतियों में डीसीआर तैयार कर समाहरित राजस्व के रसीद से मिलान किया जाता है. समाहरित राजस्व एवं डीसीआर के कुल योग के आधार पर सहायक विद्युत अभियंता रोकड़पाल को राजस्व समर्पित कर प्राप्ति रसीद डीसीआर पर लेने का प्रावधान है. प्राप्त अभिलेख से स्पष्ट है कि विद्युत आपूर्ति प्रमंडल कटिहार से निम्नलिखित रसीद बुक आपके द्वारा प्राप्त किया गया है. इट इज ओनली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू नारायण. मुद्रा रसीद सो एंड सो संबंधित मुद्रा की संख्या रसीदों की और प्राप्त करने की तिथि 14/5/2004, 30/6/2004, 19/8/2004, 19/8/2004, 27/5/97 और 25/6/2007 के बीच. उपयुक्त रसीद बुकों के माध्यम से निर्गत रसीदों के उपरांत विद्युत आपूर्ति अवर प्रमंडल कटिहार ग्रामीण के कार्यालय में तृतीय प्रति वाली बुक लौटाई जानी थी. इस संबंध में नियमानुसार कार्रवाई आपके द्वारा नहीं किया गया. फलतः रसीद बुकों के हेरा फेरी तथा अभिलेख समर्पित नहीं करना रोकड़ गबन है.
तो रोकड़ का गबन है.
My lord.
Based on these receipt book.
My lord, that is he not deposited. That is
Therefore,
the first charge.
Action.
My lord.
Caused FIR on last occasion have stated so. Where is that FIR?
My lord, FIR annexed by petitioner with his so-called, my lord.
Where is that?
Written statement, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord. I am just placing it.
As per the board circular, he was required to deposit those receipts.
My lord, at page 72, my lord.
Page
72 of the rate application. May I read, my lord? Dated FIR number 45, dated 14/2005.
This FIR communication made by the office of
It was, my lord,
electrical engineer.
अब्दुल सिंह राम बेटा. The direction of the
When
here, my lord, this FIR was lodged by the subdivision, my lord.
so before the audit objection,
My lord.
huh?
Not my lord.
14 to 2005, and the date of receiving all these receipts book
My
are
lord,
referred.
my lord, it is, my lord,
It
2004,
is between 14 5 2004
my lord.
to
Only 4 and 96, 97, my lord.
97.
it is and it is much earlier to period 2004. It is 27 5 to 97,
And
25 6 2007.
2007 के बीच में.
हाँ,
In between, my lord, the
इसमें
97.
है रेफरेंस है, FIR में रेफरेंस है in
My lord, FIR में, my lord, it was a report on the inspection report, my lord, submitted by the executive engineer, my lord, this FIR was lodged.
then
And
thereafter what action was taken against him?
my lord, thereafter, my lord, executive engineer, my lord, requested my lord Superintending Engineer Purnia to direct the headquarter, my lord, for my lord, audit of the account of the electric supply subdivision Katihar rural, as well as my lord, legal department and the store, which
Your submission is that for missing of all these receipt books number
No.
so and so,
my lord,
FIR was already lodged.
my lord, it is ना उसके लिए नहीं है हुजूर. FIR तो दूसरे रिपोर्ट आया था उसके रेफरेंस में है. हम
इसका रेफरेंस क्या है? रसीद बुक संख्या 1528.
ये सब ऑडिट में ऑडिटर ने देखा कि ये रिसीट लोडेड है, कंप्यूटर में है, और उन्होंने पाया कि उसके अगेंस्ट मनी
ऑडिट रिपोर्ट का डेट कब है? What is the date of audit report?
ऑडिट रिपोर्ट का डेट मतलब
This FIR is with respect to all these mudra receipt, money receipts.
my lord.
You are a senior designated counsel? The counsel? You are a senior designated counsel?
My lord.
Without advocate on record, how can you argue?
My lord, both are 2 hours there, my lord. Both are in 2 different courts, my lord. Not tomorrow, I'll, my lord, with my junior. I can, my lord.
This FIR relates to all these money receipts. FIR dated 14 to 2005. But it has, from where you are able to show that FIR was in fact registered.
My lord.
Yes, case number कुछ नहीं है इसमें.
हाँ 42 है. Yes, case number 45.
कहाँ किस पेज पे है?
अभी दिखाते हैं.
ऑडिट रिपोर्ट कब का है?
2005 6-7 का है.
For that, the missing of these was possessed by him. He was required to furnish concerned authority, and they are not getting to these.
मतलब इसका ऑडिट रिपोर्ट का टाइम है फ्रॉम 2003 2004 2004-5 अप टू 5/11/2004.
डेट कब है?
ये इस पीरियड का है ऑडिट.
हाँ?
ऑडिट का डेट है फॉर द पीरियड है 2003-4 एंड 2004-5 अप टू 4/11/2004.
5, 6, 7.
कब हुआ था? ऑडिट हुआ कब? रिपोर्ट कब सबमिट किया गया? दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
मानव
So that how we can.
It was given, my lord, on प्रतिवेदन नंबर 8 2006-7 में
फाइनेंशियल ईयर कौन था?
6-7
2006
2007
7 and the report was submitted on
Allegation is 2004.
that
कोर्ट का डेट
that raised this
क्या
objection the 2000 when that amount was being carried forward.
ये रिपोर्ट का डेट नहीं है हुजूर।
डेट देखिए ना, डेट क्या है?
डेट नहीं है कहीं। When it was submitted. Extract of the report was
So in any case, when it relates to also relates to period 2006-2007, so FIR was lodged much before that on
in
14
2005 it was,
2005.
my lord,
So how you are saying that it is before on the basis of audit report, whether this was not the subject?
my lord, the period in which the auditor were appointed,
What happened in this case?
my lord,
This FIR?
उसके लिए हम लोग पता लगाया, अभी मिल नहीं रहा है, उसका कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, 5 का मिल ही नहीं रहा है। कटिहार सिविल लोग जब उधर का हुक्म हुआ, 30 आदमी बैठा हुआ है, खोज रहा है। What happened to that FIR?
When did you provided the audit report to him?
My lord, we have given with the inquiry report with the first focus.
Inquiry report?
Inquiry report with the first focus, my lord.
First show cause is a charge memo, not inquiry report.
First focus after, my lord, after inquiry report.
After inquiry report, how can you give audit report? It should be accompanied with the charge memo.
Where, my lord, related with the petitioner were given along with the memo, charge memo itself. That was, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. 6 is with Lalan Prasad Singh. Only 6, my lord, charges were audit report with respect to petitioner was given along with charge memo, my lord, annexure 2. Along with, my lord, inspection report of the electrical executive engineer, Katihar, which was given to the petitioner, my lord. It is, my lord, he has annexed as annexure 34 of the writ application, my lord. At the last annexure of the writ. That is the inspection report of the, my lord, executive engineer Katihar, on which basis, my lord, this FIR was lodged in 2005.
FIR लॉन्च ही नहीं हुआ।
उसका नंबर है, आप देखिए आप ध्यान से।
हम लगा रहे हैं, हम भी
That is the only document.
Just
FIR and FIR had
FIR part on part.
this
We can't take
it does not.
My lord, if your lordship come to 72, my lord, your lordship may kindly see, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. 45 was the,
One of the
my lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
the charges is such that he has taken away the records. Whether is dating your allegation is that he has taken away the records.
No, receipts, my lord. No money receipts, not the records.
कौन नंबर है चार्ज का? उससे रिलेटेड
6 चार्ज जो एक ही चीज का है, अलग अलग है। 5वां चार्ज है उसमें, जिसमें कहते हैं कि 5 रिसीट इन्होंने लिया और अपने रजिस्टर में भी ऐड दिखाया भी नहीं लाके।
It is one of the charge. It has been proved.
and that has been proved.
My lord, all charges were proved, my lord. All the 6 charges.
How the charge is material that he has taken away the receipt.
My lord, FIR is, my lord.
FIR that is not contained in the charge memo. You have
My
to
lord,
apply that with
तैयार नहीं है।
इसमें अलग अलग है जो 105
FIR को आप कहाँ दिए हैं इसके साथ, चार्ज मेमो के साथ
मेमो के साथ यही लगाए हैं अपने रिटर्न स्टेट
लगाए हैं,
प्रोविजनल।
लेकिन इसको कहाँ है कि this charge has been proved on these basis, it is evidence
My lord, that is my lord, the
that taken away.
inquiry report my lord.
कहीं नहीं है क्या प्रूफ।
कहाँ पे डिस्कशन है?
आज हम बताते हैं इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट है ना। सॉरी
इसके लिए आप दोनों को किए, लेकिन बट नो व्हाट मटेरियल्स आर देयर?
पेज 39 पर my lord, it is ये आपने स्पष्ट विद्युत और टीआर से निम्नलिखित रसीद बुक आपके द्वारा प्राप्त किया गया है और प्राप्त करने की तिथि में देखा गया जो
डिस्कशन कहाँ है?
डिस्कशन है my lord आगे। Lord, it starts from 101 my lord, and आरोप नंबर 1, 2, 3 6 के बाद है एट पेज 104। श्री नारायण झा तदेन पत्राचार लिपिक विद्युत आपूर्ति और प्रमाण कटिहार के विरुद्ध लगाए गए उपयुक्त आरोपों के संबंध में गवाहों का परीक्षण प्रतिपरीक्षण पूर्व के जांच अधिकारी श्री NK वर्मा द्वारा किया गया, जो 15/5/7 से 20/9/7 तक चला। परीक्षण के दौरान बोर्ड के दोनों नामित गवाह श्री राजेंद्र झा तदेन प्रभारी वरीय अंकेक्षक और योगानंद झा अंकेक्षक द्वारा आरोपी झा पर लगाए गए आरोपों की पुष्टि की गई। एक गवाह श्री राजेंद्र झा का ही प्रतिपरीक्षण हो सका। प्रतिपरीक्षण जारी था कि आरोपी ने जांच पदाधिकारी श्री NK वर्मा उप कार्मिक निदेशक पर अनिष्पक्षता का आरोप लगाया। फलतः जांच पदाधिकारी बदले गए और अधो हस्ताक्षरी को मामला जांच हेतु सौंपा गया। तत्पश्चात आरोपी को गवाहों के शेष प्रतिपरीक्षण हेतु कई बार अवसर दिया गया। इसी बीच आरोपी ने माननीय उच्च न्यायालय पटना में के आदेश 14/5/2009 के आलोक में बोर्ड के संयुक्त सचिव के ज्ञापन 510 29/10/10 के द्वारा उन्हें वांछित अभिलेख की प्रति उपलब्ध करा दी गई तथा जो उनसे संबंधित नहीं थे उसके बारे में उन्हें सूचित कर दिया गया। उपभोक्ता खाता जो परिमाण में बृहद थे उसे विद्युत आपूर्ति प्रमंड कटिहार जाकर अवलोकन करने हेतु उन्हें अनुमति प्रदान कर दी गई। तत्पश्चात आरोपी ने अपने अधिवक्ता श्री महेश कुमार द्वारा दिनांक 6/5/10 को समर्पित आवेदन में सूचित किया कि दिनांक 16/4/10 को वे विद्युत आपूर्ति प्रमंडल कटिहार गए तथा लिखित रूप से विद्युत कार्यपालक अभियंता कटिहार तथा सहायक विद्युत अभियंता विद्युत आपूर्ति और प्रमंडल कटिहार से मुद्रा रसीद DCR की तीसरी प्रति तथा उपभोक्ता खाता की छाया प्रति उपलब्ध कराने हेतु अनुरोध किया, किंतु उन्हें उपलब्ध नहीं कराया गया। पुनः आरोपी ने अपने आवेदन 22/7/10 प्राप्त 26/10 के द्वारा सूचित किया कि पिछली यात्रा के दौरान कटिहार उपभोक्ता लीडर के कुछ अंश उन्हें दिया गया जो उनके बचाव के पक्ष में बहुत कम है। इससे यह स्पष्ट है कि आरोपी ने पहले कुछ भी अभिलेख न प्राप्त होने की सूचना दी थी। बाद में उपभोक्ता खाता को कुछ दिए जाने के बाद उनके द्वारा स्वीकार की गई, जिससे यह पता चलता है कि आरोपी श्री झा जांच पदाधिकारी को सही जानकारी नहीं देते रहे। बावजूद उनको बार बार वांछित अभिलेख देखकर गवाहों में प्रतिपरीक्षण करने का अवसर दिया जाता रहा। उनको यह भी सूचित किया जाता रहा कि यदि वे प्रतिपरीक्षण में अपना पक्ष नहीं रखते हैं तो यह समझा जाएगा कि उन्हें बचाव में कुछ भी नहीं कहना है और एक पक्षीय कार्रवाई प्रारंभ कर दी जाएगी। फिर भी आरोपी ने इस पर कोई सकारात्मक एवं सहयोगात्मक रवैया नहीं अपनाया और प्रतिपक्षण नहीं हो सका। अंततः 10/9/2010 को उन्हें गवाही के प्रतिपक्षण का अंतिम अवसर प्रदान किया गया, जिसमें उनके द्वारा सहयोग नहीं किए जाने के कारण एक पक्षीय कार्यवाही का निर्णय लेना पड़ा। आरोपी श्री नारायण झा द्वारा बोर्ड के नामित गवाह श्री राजेंद्र झा तदेन प्रभारी वरीय अंकेक्षक का प्रतिपरीक्षण किया गया था जो जारी था। दूसरे नामित गवाह योगानंद झा अंकेक्षक का प्रतिपरीक्षण नहीं हो सका। प्रतिपरीक्षण के दौरान आरोपी द्वारा गवाह श्री राजेंद्र झा से मुख्य रूप से बोर्ड के वित्तीय एवं लेखा संहिता भाग 6 के अनुच्छेद 6.92, 694, 695, 696 के प्रावधानों के बारे में पूछा गया, जिसकी पुष्टि गवाह द्वारा की गई, जो प्रति परीक्षण में दर्ज है। किंतु आरोपी श्री नारायण झा तदेन पत्राचार लिपि के विरुद्ध बोर्ड द्वारा लगाए गए आरोपों के विरोध में कोई भी साक्ष्य प्रस्तुत नहीं किया गया, जिससे यह साबित हो सके आरोप पर लगाए गए आरोप गलत हैं। अभियोजन पक्ष के उपस्थापन पदाधिकारी द्वारा अपने लिखित बहस में भी आरोपी श्री झा पर लगाए गए आरोपों को सही ठहराया गया है। गवाह श्री राजेंद्र झा ने परीक्षण के दौरान बताया कि बोर्ड के वित्तीय लेखा संहिता भाग 6 के अनुच्छेद 692 के अनुसार अस्थायी मनी रसीद बुक निर्गत किया जाना है। समाहरण हेतु कार्बन के माध्यम से
He has also, petitioner has also relied upon that to court FIR. So he was in knowledge and
3 प्रतियों में काटा जाना है।
Mr. Sahi, आई डोंट नो कि किस पेज से आपका जांच प्रतिवेदन स्टार्ट होता है,
ये
किस पेज नंबर से होता है आपके ब्रीफ का जांच प्रतिवेदन?
पेज 100 से
100 से,
ये पेज 101 से
100, हाँ तो 108 पर आप आइए।
जी
तो यू एडमिट
108
हाँ बीच पे आइए, पेज इंटरनल पेज है और बीच के 3 लाइन ऊपर देखिए। आरोपी द्वारा अपने अस्थायी लिखित बयान दिनांक 27/4/2007 के साथ
हाँ भूमिका पर
FIR की प्रति को देखा है। रसीद बुक संख्या 0439 की चर्चा सहायक विद्युत अभियंता कटियार द्वारा अपने पत्रांक 45 दिनांक 7/2/2005 द्वारा थाना प्रभारी कटियारी को लिखे पत्र में नहीं की गई है, जब स्वयं उनके द्वारा प्रमंडल से प्राप्त किया गया था और इस इस्तेमाल पर उनके विशेष नज़र होनी चाहिए थी।
ये
तो यू एडमिट रिगार्डिंग
आरोपी द्वारा अपने अस्थायी लिखित बयान, यही ना पढ़ा जा रहा है।
हाँ,
आरोपी द्वारा अपने अस्थायी लिखित बयान दिनांक 27/4/7 के साथ संलग्न किए गए FIR के प्रतियों को देखने से पता चलता है कि उक्त रसीद बुक संख्या 049 की चर्चा सहायक विद्युत अभियंता कटिहार द्वारा अपने पत्रांक दिनांक 7/2/5 द्वारा थाना प्रभारी कटिहार को लिपत्र में नहीं की गई है, जबकि यह स्वयं उनके द्वारा प्रमंडल से प्राप्त किया गया था और उनके इस्तेमाल पर उसकी इट इज फॉर द इंजीनियर नॉट फॉर द पिटिशनर।
इट इज योर सो कॉज।
ना हमारे सब
आप लिखे हैं ये चीज, ये स्टेटमेंट है। सो यू एडमिट की हाँ ये क्या किया
हमने ये कहा है। हजूर हम अपना उस सो कॉज के पैराग्राफ ही पढ़ देते हैं।
मिसिंग DCR
पैराग्राफ 7 देखा जाए ना, पेज 100 एनेक्सर 7 वही पैराग्राफ पढ़ देते हैं। हम आ रहे हैं जो देखा जाए
नॉट
ना देख लिया जाए।
के बेसिस पर आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? You had no knowledge of the FIR.
Your Lordship, kindly have a look to page 68.
16.
8. It is my so cause which was discussed by this. यही so cause है जिसका डिस्कशन वहां देखा गया।
पेज 108 पे
पेज it starts from जी
27/4/2007 का।
हाँ, it starts from page
7/4/2007.
it starts from page 61. Now your lordship जहाँ FIR की चर्चा है वहीं पर, क्योंकि FIR हमने ही अपने सो कॉज में लगाया है। चार्ज पेज 68.
68.
It starts from page 61. Page 68. In charge number 3 and 4, ऊपर ही से हुजूर को मिला। In charge number 3 and 4 has been mentioned that for theft of receipt Saint Electrical Engineer Katiyar. Rural side by letter dated 9/9 dated 26/12/96. The Thana was requested to lodge FIR. But there is no evidence to show that the said letter was actually delivered to Town Thana, Katiyar, and or that FIR having case number was in fact registered. This audit at page 11 of its report has also observed that ज्ञात हो कि उक्त पत्र के संबंधित थाना को प्राप्ति रसीद या FIR का नंबर कार्यालय द्वारा प्रस्तुत नहीं किया गया, जिससे FIR हुआ भी या नहीं यह स्पष्ट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि कार्यालय संचिका में उपस्थित पत्र पर FIR एवं दिनांक या प्राप्ति सूचना अंकित नहीं है। ये इनकी ऑडिट रिपोर्ट। ये FIR हमने लगाया था अपना बोनाफाइड शो करने के लिए।
ये तो 96 का है, 2005 का FIR,
उसी FIR की बात हो रही है, चोरी वाली बात। एंड नाउ
What about that which is mentioned?
इसी के बारे में मेंशन हो रहा है।
ये तो आप लगाए हैं ना?
हाँ, देखा जाए ना, ये कह रहे हैं विद्युत अपने पत्रांक दिनांक 7/2/5 के द्वारा 7/2/5 एक FIR की चर्चा यहाँ हो रही है।
Where is that FIR?
ये आ रहे हैं हुजूर, हम उस पर भी आ रहे हैं। एक यहाँ आ गया, ये अपने सोकॉज मेरा यही है जिसकी चर्चा यहाँ ही हो रही है। एक
Regarding this, the period is of 2004. How do you
Yeah.
rely upon these FIR? Which is
Delhi.
1996.
वही
Now,
FIR
72.
पेज 72
Yes, sir. Where is that reference? Where it
पेज 69 71
and what is your
72 पर तो FIR है हुजूर।
हाँ तो ये
FIR जो है,
आप पढ़ रहे हैं लेटर डेटेड
एक मिनट,
9/9 डेटेड
ये
26.
FIR किया गया है हुजूर 725 को। 725 विश्वास भाजन आपूर्ति सो एंड सो, अस्थाई पता सो एंड सो। इस FIR की चर्चा अपने सोकॉज में मैंने किया है।
कहाँ है?
एक मिनट, जस्ट नाउ हुजूर, जस्ट नाउ रिसीट बुक। अभी कहाँ से चर्चा कर है? आरोपी द्वारा अपने मैंने साथ संलग्न FIR की प्रतियों देखने पता चलता है कि तथा सहायक बुजुर्गों को 5 लोग लिखा गया पत्र में के द्वारा
This letter was requested to lodge 9/9 dated 2096, whereas this is the relating to that page. This is 2005. And this has an audit was related to these periods and till 2007.
FIR की चर्चा
The other person who has been
वह है कहीं
trial is also there. He has accepted.
This part he has accepted.
दूसरा के साथ क्या हुआ जो
जी, दोनों को पनिशमेंट हुआ है।
का क्या है वो एडमिट किए हैं?
ये लोग तो अपील में नहीं आए हैं आनंद।
इनका
इनके ऊपर फेंक दिए हैं और वो
फेंके नहीं हैं, ये हैं जिन्होंने 16,65,000 है, और वो लोग का इन लोग के इनके साथ संलिप्तता है जो कैशियर हैं वो, और जो सहायक अधीक्षक हैं सुप्रिटेंडेंट, both were punished, my lord, and 25%, my lord, pension has been withheld of those two.
these documents only.
Yes, my lord.
ललन सिंह का चार्ज नंबर 6 है। ललन सिंह का चार्ज नंबर 6 इज विथ रिगार्ड टू ललन सिंह, पेज 52।
Assistant electrical engineer, he has also been proceeded and against him charge has been proved.
No, my lord. असिस्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर नहीं,
जो प्रोसीजर
असिस्टेंट सुपरिटेंडेंट
Dependent engineer.
माय लॉर्ड,
सुपरिटेंडेंट सुशील कुमार दत्ता, असिस्टेंट सुपरिटेंडेंट।
अकाउंट असिस्टेंट is the cashier at that relevant time.
On the basis of the documents which were
My lord.
available with the petition.
My lord, because of this, my lord, पता है ऑडिटर कि सब बैठ के लोग जो DCR 2 है उससे अपडेट करा दिए हैं कंप्यूटर में, केवल पैसा नहीं गया है बैंक में, लेकिन जितना रिसीट काटे हैं चोरी का और जो इनको दिया गया था जो बिना दस्तखत के ले आए थे, टोटल जो है सो अपडेटेड है। और उससे ही पता लगा कि 16,65,000 इनका है और वो लोग दोनों मदद किए। उनको FIR करना चाहिए था और ज़्यादा करना चाहिए था कि पैसा नहीं जा रहा है बैंक में। दे इन कोलिजन विद दिस पिटिशनर वर्किंग।
जी,
And it is the
ये सबके
assistant engineer who has lost the FIR.
माय लॉर्ड,
सुझाव के बारे में जो रिपोर्ट जो है इसमें हर के बारे में बोला गया हुआ, क्या ओपिनियन है?
But with respect to this FIR, you have not said anything.
Your Lordship, just now I am trying to say, Your Lordship, let's make that. If this super is long, Your Lordship, जब FIR मेरा ही लगाया हुआ तो होगा कहीं नहीं, अदरवाइज
Two of them
मैं क्यों लगाता?
have been also.
एक वो भी एक ग्राउंड है जो कि सब में
Have not referred it.
तब हो कि बस FIR के बारे में
Quantum has been fixed.
उसी FIR को वो बोल रहे हैं, अदरवाइज
How the quantum has been determined, to what extent he has caused loss? What are the
Proceeds of these bills which have up to dated in the computer. The third receipt is with him. One is left with the original one. The three receipts are there, and one is retained on where?
my lord, first and second go with the cashier, my lord,
Cashier, yes.
and third remain with my lord, which go to my lord assistant electrical engineer, and then after deposit of the money that return
So
back
that
to
is
my lord cashier.
The third, which remained with the assistant electrical engineer, that was the evidence on which basis, and he has signed on.
ये होल जी हाँ,
My lord,
So that is the one evidence
My lord.
from which you have detected that these amounts were not
My lord.
deposited.
Yes, petitioner, you have no case?
Your Lordship.
You have no case?
Your Lordship, I have got a case.
Please point out.
Your Lordship, my first point for Your Lordship's consideration, that the basis of the FIR is the extract copy of audit report.
No, we are not going on merits. This writ court cannot decide on merit in the light of BC Chaturvedi case. We will not reappreciate evidence and all.
Then I'm not going,
The issue is there.
I know my limit, Your Lordship, with regard to the so that departmental proceedings are concerned. Your Lordship, my submissions are there. Your Lordship, the basis of the FIR is the extract copy of audit report. Except that audit report, nothing was supplied to the petitioner. Except,
No, one of the charges you have taken away the record.
Your Lordship, that I have denied in my so-called. Your Lordship, I have specifically sourced my low-cost.
Then where,
Submitted to the Dinesh Singh.
sir, what is the movement of that record? You are the initially custodian of the record. Then how it is missing?
I was custodian of the record, but after collecting the rent, Your Lordship, I have submitted the record to the cashier.
Where is that material to show that you have transmitted the papers to the cashier?
I have stated in my so-called.
That statement is not sufficient. Suppose if I am giving responsibility of 2-3 files to the cashier, you have to take signature. You can't say.
That is not. That is neither their case nor my case.
Then you have no case.
Second thing, Your Lordship. In the audit report itself, Your Lordships, various receipts have been there. Their case is only one thing, Your Lordship. There were two DCR 1 and 2 with them. DCR 3 alleged that it was I have taken away. Basic thing is that, Your Lordship. Then when after the audit report, while discussing all the receipts, Charge number 1, these receipts 2 lakhs. Charge number 2, these receipts 3 lakhs. Charge number 3, these receipts 4. Then all the receipts they have brought on the record by way of this audit report.
Sir,
There is no
whatever it may be, a custodian of record is you in respect of which document, to that extent you are liable.
Your lordship, let us presume that your lordship DCRR 3 is not there, your lordship. Let us presume for a moment.
What is the amount mentioned?
Yeah.
What is the amount mentioned in DCR 3?
DCR 3, the total DCRR.
Don't tell me,
have said
tell us the total and all. DCR number 3,
16 lakhs in total.
then you are liable.
Now, your lordships, if there are two DCRR along with them, your lordship, one DCLR for the time your lordships not considered. It is with me, let us presume. Now on the basis of the 2 DCLR, the charges were framed. Discussing, audit report discussing hundreds of receipts. Where are those receipts, I don't know. At least 2 DCLR with them. They are not a different document, they are the same document. They are alleging 3rd DCLR is with me, DCR.
Is against him?
I say,
Come, where is the audit report?
यही तो ऑडिट, हाँ देखा है. अब ऑडिट रिपोर्ट इनके पास कुछ नहीं है, ये हमको जो दिए वो यहीं से देखा जाए चार्ज नंबर 1 में. तालिका में जो एविडेंस में जो दिए पेज 43 से
Copy which was retained, and what is the proof that he has taken all the DCR which you have mentioned in the FIR? He must have signed somewhere. Receiving तो इनका होगा. Where is that?
रिसीविंग का तो यही कलेक्ट किए, किसी को दिया ही नहीं तो रिसीविंग इन्हीं को कर देना था, या जिसको देते लेते रिसीट तो ही देते कैशियर को.
ये लिखा है कैशियर.
नहीं तो बुक जो आता है वो कहाँ है, कहाँ रहता है? स्टोर में रहता होगा.
जाता है कैशियर को, जाता है 2 कॉपी उसका और फाइनल
प्रोसीजर है ना, बैंक में भी रहता है तो
बैंक में
रहता है.
भर के जमा होता है ना.
एडिशन वाला बात नहीं है, इतना मोटा बुक है
जी
वो ओरिजिनल जहाँ से भी प्रिंट होकर के आता होगा वो रिसीव होता होगा.
जी.
रिसीविंग के बाद वहाँ से इनके पास आप कहीं पर रिसीव करवाते हैं.
मांग के लिए आए विदाउट रिक्विजिशन.
लोगों को पूछो.
जो हमने लिखा है सो फॉर
एक्सप्लेन हाउ इट इज डन. योर ऑफिसर इज देयर, आस्क टू कम. What volume are there, and that is kept in.
हमने अपने सोकॉज में स्पेसिफिकली लिखा है उसे.
Once it is everywhere.
You ask him what is his designation.
क्या आपका किस पद पे हैं आप? पत्राचार कैसे बताएंगे भाई? कैसे जाता है ये किताब, कहाँ से जाता है?
उधर ऑफिसर बैठा है, बुला उनको, कोट पहन के बैठा है.
And who is सिटिंग देयर?
ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज मलड़.
कहाँ से आया वो?
मलड़ नॉर्थ बिहार पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनी के
पटना.
मलड़ फ्रॉम हेडक्वार्टर.
एक वॉल्यूम में कितना रहता है?
200
जी.
और 3
वो कैसे आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं कैशियर के पास?
केस 200 का किताब ही कैशियर
प्रिंट नहीं ना करते हैं?
नहीं, ये
कहाँ से आता है?
हेडक्वार्टर से जाता है. हर
हेडक्वार्टर से जाता है तो हस्तगत कराया गया इनको
डिवीजन में.
डिवीजन से ये इनके पास कैसे आया?
में जो कैशियर.
How it is, how this has come in his possession, the possession of the petitioner.
डिवीजन में सर उसका
200 का एक होता है
सर.
वो कैसे ये कब रिसीव किए पूरा वॉल्यूम?
सर डिवीजन
फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट.
उसका स्टॉक डिवीजन में रहता है सर. और
हाउ इट हैज कम टू इन हिज हैंड? एक्सप्लेन दैट.
रिक्वेशन के आधार पर जो है ना डिवीजन.
वेयर इज दैट रिक्विजिशन?
रिक्वेशन के
मस्ट हैव मेड रिक्विजिशन कि इससे पहले वाला खत्म हो गया, अब हमको और दीजिए. Where is that requisition? That is also the evidence. Then only he can be held liable. इन्होंने लिया है तब इतना का किया है.
सर इसमें जो है ना जो आरोपी है उसने जो है ना बगैर रिक्वेशन के भी जो है ना वहाँ से.
सर रिक्विजिशन जो लिया गया है 200 का वॉल्यूम का, वो कहाँ है?
बिगर रिक्वेशन के वहां से हासिल किया सर।
ऐसा नहीं होता है। आपने रिसीव किया, आपका ये जो जहाँ का भी ये है डिवीजन, वहाँ पर रिसीव हुआ, उसका कहाँ है?
सर
वो एविडेंस कहाँ है?
आया होगा उसका तो होगा ना, कितना उनके पास आया वो तो
कितना आया इस डिवीजन में, कहाँ है वो?
डिवीजन में है।
हाँ, और उसके बाद एक कॉपी रह जाता है असिस्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर के यहाँ।
ना वो जो एक बुक है उसमें ट्रिपटाइट
रहता है, 1 का 3 रहता है कॉपी, तो लास्ट वाला रह गया इनके पास।
लास्ट चला जाता है असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर के यहाँ, जब बैंक में जमा हो जाता है तो फिर वापस
यही दिए ना उनके पास।
ये भी उनको दिए कि नहीं तो नहीं, चूंकि
तो आपके पास एविडेंस एक वही है और आप बोल रहे हैं
ना आप इसलिए कह रहे हैं हुजूर कि Annexure 34
दो का इनके आरोप है कि 2 इन्होंने रख लिया और डिपॉजिट नहीं किया।
थर्ड इन्होंने डिपॉजिट नहीं किया, फर्स्ट सेकंड तो कैशियर को गया,
कैशियर को गया फर्स्ट सेकंड,
और वही बेसिस
अब उसी के बेसिस
और वही बेसिस है डिफॉल्केशन
के बेसिस पर जो है सो कैशियर ने जो है सो अपडेट करा दिया जब उनका ट्रांसफर हुआ 2005 में, तो वो भी रिपोर्ट है Annexure 34
के बेसिस पर आप ये डिटरमाइन किए पूरा पैसा।
ये मेरा यही कहना है।
पैसा तो ये कंज्यूमर से लिए ना,
ले लिए और 2 पर है ना उसका पैसा का रेफरेंस।
पैसा उसी से तो जो ऑडिटर ने नोट किया,
वही बार बार पूछ रहे हैं इन लोगों से।
इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट
वो जाके देख के आए हैं, इनका एडमिशन है कि इन्होंने देखा है सेकंड DCR को। Not in dispute, my lord.
In respect of D,
Second DCR was there.
part and parcel of this.
सर इस फाइल में सर एक रिकॉर्ड है।
just wait. What is coming?
My lord.
That recovery is based on 3rd DCR.
Recovery, yes, my lord. On any, my lord, second and third is first is given to the consumer.
First is given to the consumer and there the amount is there.
This is receipt, my lord.
Amount is
Yes, my lord.
therefore consumer will only pay when the amount is
My lord, my lord. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, उसके बाद डिस्चार्ज जो बनता है वो 3 में बनता है। रिसीट तो 3 रहता है जिसमें कंज्यूमर को गया और रह गया ऑफिस के लिए।
Whether you have the copy of discharge 1 and 2.
My lord,
वही बेसिस है।
चाहिए बिकॉज ऐसा है, रिपोर्ट हम पढ़ देते हैं उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि कैसे
Audit report Mr. Council, audit report is based on DCR 1 and 2.
My lord.
Where is the DCR number 1 and 2? How can you misplace?
My lord.
At the time of writing the audit report, DCR number 1 and 2 was available. Now how it is missing?
No, it is, my lord, आया है कि at the time, my lord, transfer this petitioner and my lord the cashier both जो है सो जो उनके पास DCR था उसे उन्होंने अपडेट करा दिया, लेकिन पैसा किसी ने नहीं जमा किया। That was the, my lord, executive.
अपडेट कराने का मतलब है कि as per the amount mentioned in the DCR that was updated.
My lord.
Loss was loss to the company.
Calculated by the auditor कि इतना पैसा अकाउंट में नहीं गया बिजली बोर्ड के, and for that my lord.
Where is that 2 DCR?
वही तो हम खोज रहे हैं लोगों से।
उस पर मेंशन वो तो देखना पड़ेगा ना आपको। That is the basis on which basis you are saying that this amount has been misappropriated. It has not been deposited.
It was
DCR 1 and 2 has been given to the auditors.
my lord.
Then where is that?
My lord, that is my lord, यहाँ डिवीजन में नहीं मिल रहा है, हम लोग अब पता लगाए हैं।
Officers are also in collusion.
My lord, that's why 2 persons were, my lord, 25% withheld, my lord. That's why the 3
कंप्यूटर में
my lord punished.
कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर किस बेसिस पर उसको मेंशन किया अमाउंट?
एजेंसी आता है और वहाँ बैठ के
कौन एजेंसी आता है?
जो हम लोग का
Contract
इंटर करता है।
outsourcing. Outsourcing.
So outsourced and it has been outsourced from the
नई डिवीजन
electrical department.
That's why, my lord, the only cashier and this bill colors both used to, my lord, get it updated from their yeah,
For the purposes of computer accounting.
my lord.
A real amount है ही नहीं.
Real amount गायब है. That's why we are in this, my lord, withholding this money, my lord, even after retirement. उन्हें 2006 का डिपार्टमेंटल प्रोसीडिंग 10 तक इन्होंने कंक्लूड नहीं होने दिया। हाई कोर्ट आए, दिन बाद 2 बार कंटेम्प्ट में आए, सो दैट की रिमेन पेंडिंग। रिटायर करने के बाद कितना होगा वो नहीं जान रहे थे। He was knowing fully well कि dismissal हो जाता अगर 10 के पहले।
एक तो गैप हो गया, तीसरा कहाँ रह गया?
तीसरा तो नहीं पता है, ये कुछ दिए ही नहीं हम लोग। That's why the matter।
तीसरा आपके पास है तो कहाँ चला गया? लॉन्च किया। When it was retained, you say that it got missing.
It is there. It is they say. It was retained by me.
Then where the amount?
I have not. It is my not the confession.
Where the amount? It was your duty to get it deposited.
What I have said in the so cause, देखा जाए।
आप तो
हमने जो so cause में लिखा तो देख लिया जाएगा।
कहीं डिनाई नहीं है।
The delinquent
रिसीट नहीं लिए।
The delinquent deposited the amount of revenue collection with the cashier, who submitted the second copy of MR book and second copy of DCR to computer section at the level of supply division, and accordingly receipt was posted in the computer consumer ledger. Thus, delinquent has not misappropriated board's revenue in any manner. However,
Documents are not available.
and these documents are not available.
How to prove that audit report?
मतलब the auditor has approved मतलब।
On what document?
basis
ये तो जो कंप्यूटर से डाउनलोड हुआ है और उसी से they have come।
कंप्यूटर में basis of feed up-
पैसा दिया हुआ है।
तो मांगा जा रहा है।
भाई तो
What is the basis to feed this data in the computer?
मतलब that only मतलब when the transfer has been मतलब made of the petitioner and Lalan Singh मतलब on whom some was even prior to transfer firing was।
ऊपर से नीचे लोग सबको जाना चाहिए तब जेल। डिपार्टमेंटल प्रोसीडिंग तो छोड़ दीजिए, तो आप यू हैव नॉट टेकन एनी एक्शन।
134
इन लोग छोटे हैं मछली, तो इनके ऊपर आप लगा, और बाकी ऊपर 16 लाख के जो भागीदारी थे उनको आप छोड़ दिए। चेयरमैन कहाँ है?
मतलब
किसी का 2 इंक्रीमेंट हो गए,
समय के चेयरमैन कौन थे?
किसी का 2 इंक्रीमेंट, किसी का 25%।
संदीप पौंड्रिक was my lord chairman।
हेड क्लास
संदीप पौंड्रिक my lord।
Ask the general manager to be here
my lord।
along with the records and the computer operator who has fitted the data. On what basis? This is not a simple case.
My lord, my lord, but
We are not getting any assistance.
my lord, I'm just planning।
अब वो जो क्या है पियोन जो थे अभी, he is much more worse than you people.
My lord, his office clerk, my lord, so his
Office clerk में he said that he is only किस पोस्ट पे हैं? आदेश पालक।
आदेश पालक वही उसी पोस्ट पर जिस पर नारायण झा थे।
What assistance this man is giving?
Correspondence clerk, my lord।
No, what assistance this man is giving?
My lord, he
is simply standing.
My lord, he is not, my lord, aware whether that।
No, he has to read and come, sir, file.
My lord, that he has, my lord, prepared some notes, my lord, with regard to that 10 and 11 receipts, money receipts, which has been taken away by the petitioner and not deposited, my lord।
By this time, your whole allegation is based on the DCRs.
My lord, and my lord,
that all those DCRs were with the petitioner.
My lord,
and he has not submitted back to the electricity.
My lord, that is my lord.
That is the main case. And on what basis amount has been determined?
Calculated.
When it was not there, neither with the petitioner, not with the board, where it has from, where you have collected this data?
My lord, Annexure 34, my lord. May I read, my lord? It starts from, my lord, page
Number?
174, my lord.
This is the order.
My lord, it was
174.
My lord, a letter written by my lord with respect to petitioner, my lord, गबन के राशि के संबंध। Joint Secretary, Bihar State Electricity Board has, my lord, asked a report from the executive engineer.
He didn't come. They can't.
Whole thing hinge upon that for DCRs.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I am.
Have to substantiate.
My lord.
Not with this written.
What happened to this item number 124?
4, my lord.
Referred by the audit reporter. According to you,
My lord.
the page 102.
My lord, I'm just.
ये कहाँ चला गया?
102, my lord.
Is
कहाँ चला गया?
the reference is at page number 102.
My lord.
All is where it has gone.
That is
No, no.
the charge number 1, my lord.
और इसी के बेसिस पर इन्होंने उक्त रसीद संख्या आवर प्रमंडलीय रोकर बही में दर्ज नहीं है, न ही बैंक में जमा पाया गया है।
जी।
तो ये रहेगा।
आज में these are the things, these are रसीद, these रसीद, these are रसीद, these रसीद. Not.
इसी बेसिस पर आप इनको एलिगेशन लगा रहे हैं। And कहाँ से ये आया? इतना पैसा कैसे आप समझ गए कि यहाँ इस कंज्यूमर से कलेक्ट किया गया?
ये सब आप मतलब इसके बारे में हम बताते हैं।
कहाँ है वो जो है अभी मिस्टर? अब दिखाइए पेज 102। एक 102 पेज पर आप देखिए वो जो पैसा का जो मूल्यांकन किया गया है,
कितना पैसा
किस बेसिस पर हुआ? अभी सारा चारों रसीद गायब है।
बेसिस
का मूल्यांकन बैंक में भी नहीं जमा हुआ है, तो हुआ कैसे पता चला? कोई भी आप कंज्यूमर से भी नहीं आप के लिए है उसका कितना पैसा का आपके पास निर्गत किया गया है। फीडर से भी आप नहीं देखे हैं कि कितना वहाँ पर मेन मीटर से मास्टर मीटर में कितना कंज्यूम हुआ, किस बेसिस पर आया है? What is the basis for determination? Whether this relates to domestic consumer or commercial consumers? You don't know, mister, you don't know. All these 4 items relates to domestic consumer or commercial consumers.
Whatever it may be, those documents are required.
कहाँ से आया, किस बेसिस पर ये पैसा? How it has been mentioned? This is the one thing which we have to come. Make it clear.
And this is related to only 5,12,915. What about the remaining amount?
Remaining on the next charges, my lord.
Charges में है वो.
All charges, my lord, having my lord.
Charges है, documents किधर है?
वही हम
डॉक्यूमेंट्स लोड कर दिए कंप्यूटर में और उसे
कंप्यूटर में है।
आप आपको मामूली मत समझिए, आपका पावर होल्डिंग कंपनी हो गया है और रोज स्कैम हो रहा है, रोज आपका बिल गलत सलत हम लोग को भी मिलता है। ऑल द बिल्स आर जस्ट इन्फ्लेटेड बिल्स और फिर अगला महीना में एडजस्ट होता है, बीच का पैसा कहाँ गया? Why such thing is happening? Everyone is facing that problem. अगला महीना में एडजस्ट होता है, उससे पूछिए जो लेकर के आता है रिसीट देता है, बोले कि अगला महीना में एडजस्ट होकर के आएगा। एवरेज बिलिंग किस आधार पर करते हैं? जब एवरेज मैन कम्स एंड रीड एंड जनरेट्स ऑनलाइन बिल,
एवरेज बिलिंग नहीं होता है,
वही करता है। दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। बिग स्कैम इज गोइंग ऑन, ऑल गोज इन द कॉफर ऑफ द बिग general man, AGM and all those persons. Ask them to appear and ask them to explain and what is the current position as on date, how they are managing. Once such misappropriation has been detected, what corrective measures they have taken as on date. Why people, poor consumer will allow to suffer. We go on collecting and imposing inflated bills. व्हाइट एलिफेंट बन करके बैठा हुआ है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड। Ask him to be here and explain. If he is not able to, we are going to impose heavy cost, or we can even proceed in a different manner for not explaining. and putting this litigation for such a long period.
Last time we have posed question how Bihar pension rules is adopted. इसके वजह से क्या हो गया? Bihar pension rules
My lord,
is being adopted by your company.
my lord,
Under which provision of law, resolution?
my lord, when the board came in 1950, my lord, under
Where is the material? In that Bihar pension rules, the power is vested with the state government.
We have filed, my lord, our supplementary counter, my lord, in which we have given, my lord, a notification of the board, my lord. With regard to workmen, we have
Who is the highest authority in your board? Let him come.
my lord, managing director is the, my lord,
We will summon the managing director.
my lord. In 1958, we had, my lord, adopted Bihar CCA rules and, my lord, the all rules which is in the,
Let's take down. Heard the matter for some time.
that is mutandis, my lord.
The respondents could not apprise this court with reference to material information as to how and in what manner the appellant has caused financial loss to the respondent company. To stop. Learned counsel, senior counsel for the respondent relied on audit report. So in the audit report, there are certain documents have been referred which are not part and parcel of the disciplinary proceedings. In other words, entire inquiry proceedings is based on the audit report. Whatever the document cited in the audit report is required to be taken note of for the purpose of deciding the present matter. Therefore, the managing director and other officials who are all well connected with the inquiry matter shall be present in the court with all materials. Respective officials are hereby directed to read the entire file and at the relevant document they must flag and apprise this court on the next date of hearing. The list after
From the record
2 weeks.
4 weeks, my lord.
contact with them.
Further, the records maintained by them, if it is in the computer system, in that event, the same shall be downloaded as a same shall be downloaded by means of a printout copy, and authorized officer is required to certify the same before perusal of those documents.
टाइम में
अभी हम लोग को फ्रेश है 4 वीक लेके क्या
मैंने ओल्ड केस उतना पुराना है कोई नहीं मिलता।
1 week will be sufficient. Ask your junior to get prepared on officers. 1 hit the button. 2 weeks.
Normalize.
करेगा डिस्टेंस
नहीं